more. How many people did it last time? No. Nobody? No.
Last time. One, two,
You have
three.
to help your friends. You have to help your friends learn how to catch ghost crabs, okay? Ghost crab. They are not slow. They are not slow. They are fast. So you have to run. You have to run. Please. Why do we have an echo? Turn the echo off. Do not. Listen up, please. Listen up. Turn the effects out. Okay, good. Turn that off. Turn the effects off.
Off. It's off.
Yeah, okay. There we go. Ghost crab, that's why. All right. Do not, I repeat, do not kill the crabs. Do not kill the crabs, please. Okay? Don't go, ah! And many of you did that last year. And then, look, teacher ate a crab. Oh.
Yeah.
We want them alive. We want them alive, okay? Not dead, not dead, okay? We want to look at them, and then we're going to let them go, okay? We just want to look at them, but we're going to have fun catching them, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, let's go do this. All right, now,
Wait,
we're going to have a group contest, right?
Listen up.
We have
Please
a group
have a seat.
contest. No,
Yeah.
we only have 2 buckets. How are we going to do that?
Hammerhead. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Hammerhead, boss.
Hammerhead.
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 Yeah, this is your bucket.
That's the bucket, yes.
All right,
Yes.
hammerhead,
Yeah.
hammerhead. And then... Stingray.
Stingray.
The box.
No, this is better.
This
is better. You want this?
This is very small bucket, but I can be a winner. Who cares? Hello.
All right. Okay, so we have flashlights. All right, hammerheads. Do you have flashlights? You have flashlights. Bring your flashlights. All right, let's go. Let's go.
Hello, my group. Come on. Kalabuda. Kalabuda. What is it? Barracuda.